Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel Real Life of Zeel, and in today's video I will be talking about what kind of medications that I pack for our 30-hour international flight. So if you are traveling soon with your toddler or your baby and have no idea what medications to pack, especially for long haul flights, then this video is for you. So before we start, let me mention one thing, that this video is only for educational purposes. I'm not giving out any medical advice. So if you have any concerns, please consult your doctor. If you have kids, then you know that long haul flights can be challenging, but having the right medications makes a huge difference. Trust me, being overly prepared is better than, feeling helpless at 35,000 feet. So here is my go-to medication kit for international travel with a baby or a toddler. The first one is fever and pain reliever. So I will be taking Tylenol and Advil. Second is taking anti-allergy medication, Rehan's EpiPen and Benadryl. So EpiPen is a prescription medication, so you have to put this EpiPen in their original box, and it should have a label on it from the pharmacy. So it has a label on it, so that is very important when you bring prescription medication. And if you are traveling internationally, you can always bring doctor's note as well, just to be on the safe side. Third one is motion sickness medication. This one for motion sickness. Fourth one is rehydration salt. So these ones I'll be bringing. It's very easy. All you have to do is just put it in the water and drink it. And it's best, hydration for, after tummy troubles. A thermometer and Band-Aid, antibacterial cream, and a cotton swab. I usually apply any cream with a cotton swab, so I will be bringing these two. For nasal congestion, I'll be bringing Salinix, and I also have a snort sucker, so I will be bringing that as well. So seventh is cough medication. You know that in Canada there is no medication for cough under the age of 6 years. So I usually use homeopathic or Ayurvedic medication. So I have this Toddler. This is a homeopathic medication, and this one is Ayurvedic medication. This one I bought it from India and it works. So I will be taking these for cough medication. If it's an Indian thing, but I'll be taking this baby rub. Measuring cups. Eighth one is mosquito repellent. I will be traveling to my home country, so I'm not going to bring any mosquito repellent stickers, but you can always take that if you are going on a vacation in a tropical country. I will show it here. You can buy those stickers and you can take that. Sunscreen. If you have any other prescription medication, you can take that as well. I will also be taking lollipops because it helps with ear pressure change while takeoff and landing, and it's win-win for everyone, right? I will also be taking some disposable plastic bags. These are the items that I will be packing in my carry-on. And now the most important question, is that allowed during security check? So when I traveled last year with my toddler internationally, a lot of you asked me that these medications are already above 100 ml of liquid allowance, right? So is it allowed through security? So the answer is yes. Liquid medication over 100 ml are allowed. Always keep medication in the original packaging, and if you are bringing any prescription medication and if you are going on an international trip, then I would suggest to have a prescription or a doctor's note. Here is a pro tip, that check with your airline before traveling. Many offers very useful, resources for flying with kids, and some even provide family-friendly services to make your trip easier as well. Now, here is my packing tip, that keep all the medication in a clear plastic Ziploc bag. So when you go through security, they don't have to remove all the medication to check what kind of medication you are bringing. They can just check it through your plastic bag, and that's it, you are done, right? I hope this helps you feel more confident when you travel or plan your next trip. And if you found this video useful, then leave a comment and share your favorite travel tip with all the moms out there and to help them out. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. It's Real Life of Zeel. Safe travels, and remember, you've got this, and see you in the next video.